I will change the name of IPOB very soon. Simon Ekpa. Welcome back to Balaba Gist, my people. If today na the first day wey dey come across this channel, may you no forget to give us a follow. In other way to dey get our updates back to back as e dey happen. So the matter we will get for table today na Simon Ekpa, the PM of Biafra government in exile, wey come talk for one video say e no go gree o, say very soon e go change the name of IPOB if US continue to dey disturb am, say e go change the name very soon. And we are going to play you the video for you to see and also leave your own contribution in that particular video. So if you get anything where you want to talk about this particular video, drop your comment respectfully. If I agree for wetin you talk, may you drop your comment also respectfully. So we are going to play the video right now. So stay tuned and watch the video. Then after the video, we'll come back.
Is it a proscribed terrorist group or is it a criminal group? We are neither of the two. We are not criminals. We are not terrorists. But they proscribe the IPOB. So you see, the people that have not even come out of the proscription are celebrating when they say we are criminals. And they say we are not members of IPOB. We are the government of Biafra in exile. Officially. Legitimate official government in exile. And that is the supreme now. If you don't like it, bring Mazin Ambikano. If you don't like the fact that Biafra Republic government in exile is now supreme. And I want everyone to understand that very soon, we will stop using IPOB. Very, very soon. We are going to stop using IPOB because IPOB name has been adulterated by evil people. We are going to stop using the name. And if they are not happy with that, they can release Mazin Ambikano to put things in order. Every strategic we are going to use to show Nigeria that they have fired the wrong shot, we are going to do it. So Biafra people, get ready. When they do too much, when they overdo, we change it for them. We are going to stop using IPOB in due time. And the only legitimate name will be the Biafra government in exile. And under that government in exile, Mazin Ambikano will be released. And if they are not going to be happy with that, they should release him to come and put back IPOB where it is. You know, I want everybody to understand that the war we are fighting now is not just the war of gun and bullet. It is also war of brain, war of awuche, and we are going to be giving them back to back. We are the one leading this movement, and we know when to fire that shot. We never miss target. So when they do too much, we will change the name completely. And the government in exile will take full charge. By then, if they do anyhow, we will continue to demand them to release Mazin Ambikano to come and put the things in order. If there's so much love for IPOB that they prescribe, because now they are dragging who is IPOB, who is not IPOB. All of a sudden, Nigerian government is now telling you Simon Ekpa is not a member of IPOB. All of a sudden, Nigerian newspaper is now carrying the who is a member and who is not a member of IPOB. They are now dragging who is a member. And this is supposed to be a proscribed organization, a proscribed group. All of a sudden, they are embracing them. So we are going to change, and just follow me and know when the time will come to change the name. And we're going to stop mentioning it.
Welcome back. As you have watched that video, so like we'll be talking for a very long time now. In this issue of Biafra should be something that goes with agreement between all the people who are in the front line fighting for Biafra. And there's one thing that I want to make clear for everybody to understand, that you see, Biafra is a divine project by God. Anytime you see the state of Biafra restored, a lot of things will begin to happen in the world, because the full liberation of Africa have started. Because of that, a lot of things is going to happen in the world. So write this thing that I tell you today down. And that is why there's so many forces fighting Biafra not to be restored. So, and in addition to what Simon Ekpa is saying, all that I want to tell you here is that in every ship there is a captain. Nnamdi Kanu remains the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. And I think that name IPOB has been there. So if there is individual you are fighting with, like DOS and other things you are fighting with, changing the name Biafra now is not the authority. You already have Biafra government in exile, IPOB, autopilot. So it's more better that let Nnamdi Kanu comes out first. If him comes out, you want to be your own government, do your own thing. If Nnamdi Kanu is not in support of what you are doing, no problem. Then you can do your thing and believe that so many people also will follow you and so many people also will follow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as well. So this shouldn't be a war that we're supposed to be battling, fighting the enemies on ground, the enemies inside of Biafra, those who are preventing us not to get Biafra, not fighting ourselves every day in social media. The update we expect you guys to be dropping for us that will also bring to people is the update of the alternative of when are we going to march here and when the Biafra is going to be restored. When is Biafra is going to be discussing in the right table within the community of Africa, the international community, that everybody. So this is what we should be seeing and the actions we should be seeing. Not all this fighting with lawyers, fighting with US, fighting with this, fighting with that. So there should be a round table between autopilot and IPOB US so that all these things will stop, so that we guys will work together in favor of release to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and we know the next forward of this particular struggle. So thank you so much for watching, guys. This is our own contribution the Blabbers Gist group is bringing to the table today. So do not forget to give us a follow in order way to be getting our updates back to back as they happen.